store here in
Entree food.
what's this? What place is this? Victoria Plaza. So different food, international food, and everything. This is what's happening here. Caribbean vlog. Sabaw, uy, bayuta. O, dara na. Ay, nasunog. Ice cream. Okay. Corn. Oh, sige, i-video na ako si Kuya. Corn. Taga saan ka sa Pinas, Kuya?
Ilocano ako.
Ay, Ilocano.
Baguio po ba or Ilocos?
Ilocos talaga. Purong